For the information of everyone, I was a public school teacher for 10 years dyan sa Philippines, and kumukuha ko ngayon ng master's dito, International MBA. Bago pa lang naman ako dito, but then totoo no, na UK parang nawa-widen yung perspective ko in life. At the same time, parang sinabi ko na the 10 years of working in the Philippines, parang sabi ko malaking risk yun pero I'm looking forward. So yung return of investment, yun yung goal ko ngayon. So as what I can see and experience here, ang ganda ng UK. So totoo, yung healthcare, yung first pa lang, mga first week ko dito, kailangan mong mag-register sa insurance. So parang ngayon mo siya in-apply, bukas meron ng email sa bahay Dito kasi walang discrimination. Kahit mga PWD, nagsa-study, nag-work, level lahat. At the same time, pinakamaganda dito, kahit uuwi ka kasi mga buses hanggang 12, safe na safe. Kahit nasa daanan ka, walang nagdidisturbo sa'yo. So, yun yung maganda din. And then, what I have experience, kasi 'di ba parang pag yung notion ko na kapag nandito ka parang baka maraming races or something ganun, yung prepare ko, but no, actually very polite. Yun yung napakaganda dito, very diverse ang UK. So parang you get to experience everything at the same time. You are building your future then. People would ask me na, bakit pa nagsa-student visa ka when in fact you have a stable job in the Philippines? But then yung ROI, or return on investment, kasi wala namang kasiguruhan sa workplace. You are replaceable pag graduate ka sa UK. Is kahit for example hindi mo gusto dito, so yun yung ko, dalawa yung sa ROI. Pwede naman na if there's a chance to stay here and work here, then that's good. Pero at the same time, what if ayaw mong magstay here, gusto mo pumunta sa ibang bansa or balik ka sa Pilipinas, it's still good pa rin. But kasi may edge ka na, worth it pa rin. Either magstay ka or babalik ka. So parang if meron tayong mga viewers ngayon na parang, ay na ako dito. Kasi marami akong kakilala dito, mga bankers na, yung mga classmates ko, 10 years na din na bankers, na mga nasa magagandang firms na sa India, sa Pakistan, dun sa country nila. But then they opt for student visa pa. And then, hindi naman sila nagsisi. Kasi mas maganda yung parang, you come to think of it na, baka meron pang you pray for it naman mamaya 9 AM meron akong training for my part-time work dun sa isang, yun yung magandang kasi parang marami siyang opportunity. Actually, I never thought na mag-work ako mamaya sa isang gym fitness. Marami talagang yung parang hindi lang isang doors, marami pa pala. You just have to take risk. And I will tell you, taking risk with World Connect is worth it. Hindi ako nagsisi na I trusted World Connect. I can assure you sa lahat ng mga ngayon na sumasali dito na you are in the right hands. Kasi ang World Connect, actually I have very long talaga na journey, but every journey is a very wonderful journey. Maganda yung steps kasi World Connect has been my backup. Hindi lang sila in every aspect pa, like emotionally, kasi hindi madali napaka-lengthy ng process. But then ang team, even Ma'am Cathy, Dr. Michelle Manuel, lahat ng staff nila, kahit nga weekend, Saturday, Sunday, pwede mo silang matanong. Even, kaya nga sabi ko, yung World Connect is parang family niya. Kasi even personal, yung parang minsan may mga time kasi na nawawalan ka ng pag-asa, yung parang hindi ko pa mabayaran ko yung kasi parang marami pang problema. Yung mga words of encouragement nila, yun yung nag-fuel na parang, Madel, wag kang mag-give up. Yun yung nangyari sa akin. Parang sinabi ko nga kay Doc Manuel tsaka kina Doc Cathy na mag-give up na ako kasi ang hirap pala, ng mental health yung application. But then Ma'am T, lahat ng World Connect team, they will inspire you na hindi, nandito ka na ba't ka pa magsa-stop? And then all the delays are maybe God's protection. And yes, totoo nga, and supposed to be my first plan was in Australia, but then sino mag-aakala na UK was the plan pala ni Lord. So parang you know, parang pag si Lord na nagbibigay na siya na yung naglagay sa'yo dyan. So unstoppable na yun. And World Connect has become the instrument kung paano ako nakapunta dito. So they guide me all the process. So sa lahat, knowing na nandito po tayo, no? Nandito po kayo na nakikinig at nandito sa orientation na to, there must be something. Maybe you are called. You are called to be anywhere outside the Philippines. So may mga challenges man, no? Lalo na financially, yun eh. But you have to pray for it and then trust also. World Connect kasi proven and tested yan, 17 years. Marami na sila napalabas. So you are on the right path. God bless po sa lahat.